Hello everyone, we will show you the application of ultrasonic lace machine in non-woven fabric welding. The ultrasonic sewing machine transmits ultrasonic waves to the fusion surface of non-woven fabric through high-frequency vibration and flower wheel, instantly stimulating molecular friction to the melting point and completing welding. This process does not require needlework, avoids the broken joints caused by traditional thread sewing, and ensures the firmness and beauty of the welding. It has fast welding speed, no chemical adhesives, strong welding, smooth and beautiful welds, and can meet the appearance requirements of various products. It is widely used in lace processing of clothing, packaging, pillowcases, toys, shoe uppers, car seat covers, etc.